Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Please kindly give me a follow. So in this episode we'll be making this beautiful backless bobo. So guys, to cut our bobo gown, first thing I did is to fold by 4. So you can see I folded by 4. 1 2 3 4. Folded. Next thing I'm going to get is my neck line. So I'm using 3.5 here. Then I'm coming down by 2 inches, which will be for the front area. Then for the back, depending on how deep you want yours to be. So I'm coming down by 12. You can do more, you can do less. So I'm coming down by 12. I mark 3 inches here. Then I'm going to connect it to this 3.5 that I have here. So this is it for the back, and this is it for the front. And next thing I'm going to get is my shoulder. My shoulder divided by 2 is 8. That's half inch seam allowance. Next is to get my sleeve length, depending on how long you want the sleeve to be. So I'm going with 10.5. So I'm mark 10.5 here. Then from here I'll get my length. So from here I'll get my sleeve, my round sleeve, and I'm doing 9 here because you know this is a free gown. So I'm just going to draw a straight line here. Next thing I'm going to do is to get my body measurements, and I'm using my hip measurement for the whole measurements. So the next thing I'm going to get is my body measurement. So I'm using my hip divided by 4 plus 4 inches seam allowance. You know it's a free top. So the same thing I'm going to do at the waist down to the length of our top. So here I have 14. So I'm just going to connect all the points like this to where the armhole stops. Then I'm going to give it a curve like this. I'm going to curve it like this. You can see here. So to get my full length measurements, so my full length is 39 plus half an inch seam allowance, which is 39.5. So I'll bring this down here. So this is it for our front and back. Very simple and easy. No too much work. So I added extra half inch here. This is where our sleeve length stop. I added half inch for seam allowance. So that is it. I'll then cut it out. So I'll be cutting the shoulder. I'll be cutting the front neckline first, then the back. Here you cut just the back, please. Cut just the back. So I want mine to have a pocket. So I'm just going to come down from here. I'm going to come down by 8. I'm going to go out by 6. Then from that 8, coming down like this by 6.5 or 7 inches. Then I'll connect it like this. But if you don't want to just have a pocket, you can just leave it like this. So you can just cut it straight. But because I wanted pockets, I'm just going to trim it off. So here I'm going to give it a notch here, just to know where the neck starts. So I'll notch here and also notch here as well. So I'll then open it up like this. So this is the back, this is the front. So I'm just going to my sewing machine and use my material or a bias to hold this place up. I'll turn it up with a bias and I'll come back and show you. I had to attach my facing to my clothes, both front and back. So next thing I'm going to do is to give it a good press and use my hemming gum and weave all these edges, and then use my hemming gum and hold it down. The same thing here and the front as well. Then here I'm going to sew half inch here. I also weave here. I also half inch here where my elastic will be going in from. So once I'm done with this place, next thing I'm going to do is to fold the hand. I'll fold it by half an inch all the way around. and then weave here. I'll sew here with 1 inch. I'll sew here 1 inch all the way to the full length. I'll do the same thing to the other side. Fold here by 1/2 inch and weave here with 1 inch. So I'll do that and I'll come back and show you. So guys, you can see I went ahead to fold here. I folded here and I've put my hemming gum as well, and I've pressed iron it down, and also went ahead to weave the sleeve, the bow sleeve, and also here to the full length. So next thing I'm going to do is to attach my elastic here. So I'm just going to attach the elastic to here. You can use elastic, you can use rope, depending on your choice. I'm doing with elastic. So it's going to come out from here. So I'll just open it up and use my pin to hold it here and hold it here. So I'll go to my sewing machine now and give a notch here to hold the elastic, and also do the same thing to the other side. To the other side of it. Then I'll come back and show you. I am done emptying my elastic, as you can see. So see, I had to attach my elastic. So next thing I'm going to do here is to attach my rope. So I'm just going to attach my rope. From my neckline, I'm coming down by 1 inch. You see, I'm coming down by 1 inch or 1.5, depending on how high you want your rope to be. So I'm putting it at the back, not at the front. So I'm going to pin it down like this. As I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Pin it down like this. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to come down by 1.5 as well. And I'm going to put it here and secure it with a pin. So I'm going to my sewing machine right now, and I'm going to stop stitch here as well for my rope, as you can see. So after that, I will now fold the down part here by 1/2 inch. So I'll do that and I'll come back and show you. So guys, here I am done with our Boubou. I went ahead to attach the rope at the back. So I'll just fold it like this, and it will fall like this at my back. And this elastic, I went ahead to weave the down part here by 1/2 inch. So I'll just iron it and I'll show you the final look on my body. This video was really helpful. Kindly subscribe, kindly give me a follow. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.